Driver, you go bring the other people who come, Abi. Make you go bring them. Thank you. Don't try. Thank you. I know say you like Renkwoko.
What is happening here? What's going on?
Now my village people be this so. Yes, sir. You know say that time where Zimuzo he carry me come. I tell Zimuzo say if God will bless me the way they bless Zimuzo. Say me I go carry my village people come bring them for here. Make them know they suffer. So that is 1 million where you give me. I don't carry my Tata 5 bus. We go come drop my village people for here. So that the first one now come now and I tell him say make you go bring the remaining people come. So all the one we remain we go come now and 5 people.
Oh! No, so I don't know the word.
Don't give him his spoon, no! Leave him alone! Leave my son alone! No! I said leave him!
You're having the nightmare again.
Yes. I saw her again. I saw her maltreating my baby.
Honey, You have to stop tormenting yourself with those images, okay?
I don't know. I saw her. You know, if you had not installed the CCTV, I won't even know what my son has been going through. He'll be suffering, even till now. Oh God, I just failed my son. I failed my son. I failed him. I failed him.
It's not your fault. You had to walk, and I too. Alright, we have to stop tormenting ourselves with what the maid did. It's been 3 months now. Let's try as much as we can to get rid of this memory. Listen. By tomorrow, I need you to wipe all those videos from your phone and laptop. Once you keep having them, the nightmare keeps repeating. Okay? Okay?
You're right. I'll do just that.
You have to.
What are you doing in my sitting room, Tina? Are you not meant to be in the room?
He's crying.
Chu? Chu baby! Chu baby! Chinaza.
Ma?
I'm not feeling my baby. What's going on? Eh? Is he losing weight or what? Or he's not feeding properly?
No, ma, I do feed him very well. And he used to play a lot in the afternoon and gets tired.
He used to what?
Press the button.
Sorry, baby. What's going on? Is someone paining you? He can't talk. Chinaza.
Ma?
Chinaza. What's this mark I'm seeing? Are you sure he's alright?
Yes, he's fine. He's fine.
Baby, are you sick? What is it? Baby. Is anywhere paining you? Baby? Baby? Is anywhere paining you? He doesn't look happy, Chinaza.
Exactly. Let me come bring you some.
Hey, you see? God, Chubobo, you can't talk. What's going on? Eh? You see? Where is paining you? Oh. I should have trusted my motherhood instinct. Honestly, I should have. I have to move on. My leave will soon be over. What do I do now? I know I can't trust another stranger with my child. No, not anymore. Yes, Akachi. Honey.
Darling.
No. I have gotten myself someone that would stay with us. And someone to take care of the baby. So I don't need to quit my job any longer.
Wow. Do you know, I was actually worried about you giving up a career that you have so much passion for and focus on motherhood.
I know. I understand, right? That would be a huge sacrifice, though our son is worth it.
Of course, of course. So, who is the new nanny?
Any guess?
Guess. Darling, come on, tell me, you know I am. I am not good at guessing.
My cousin Akachi.
What?
Mm-hmm.
That girl? Darling, she's so local and loud, and you know it.
Honey, even though she's loud or local, the most important thing is she loves me. And she's so fond of Choo-Choo. That's the most important. Besides, we're family. I remember when we were younger, she would fight and defend me whenever anyone looked for my trouble. Though she is younger. We used to call her the girl with a single bone.
Honey, you're right, but I really don't think I can put up with her drama daily. The way she greets me alone is, I would love drama.
I know. But just make do with her. She'll be fine. And you'll be fine.
It's alright if that's what you want. So, meanwhile, let me check one cheap boy.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Sure.
Simuzo, now only on that is there for all these places. Hey! Choo-choo, Baba! Choo-choo, let's stick! Hey! See my Baba, baby. Now! Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
Akachi. So you won't notice me because you're with you.
Oga James Bonding. Choo-choo. Your big auntie don't come.
Akachi.
Oga James Bonding. I don't dey tell you this thing, say no be Akachi. Na Aka God.
Oh.
Aka God.
Aka God.
Yes.
I'm sorry. You're welcome to our home.
All these places now.
Yes.
Kakari Choo-choo.
To come here.
Simuzo. Now only una dey stay for all these places.
Yes.
Hi. Simuzo, you dey sell fish, oh. You dey sell fish.
Fish?
Yes.
No, I don't sell fish here.
Because all these places dey. You no even say make you come for village, come carry youth. come for your house because see everywhere now. You can't leave us with a suffering for village. No, you don't even come make you give anybody opportunity. You say you know they're selfish. Eh?
Akachi, I can't possibly bring the whole village youth to live in my house. It's not possible.
Why? Why?
Because this is my house. It's meant for myself, my husband, my family.
Only 3 of una for inside all these places. Me, if God remember me, bless me like this, I go charter bus. The bus go carry all the youth people come my house. Yes.
Come, let's go here. Come.
Sister Zimuza.
I see someone has a little respect now.
Respect Wonyebe. Is it not only 5 years that you use and senior me? If not that you grow like a Greek fowl where they give fertilizer and me I be like a cookie bowl, the people no go know. Now you know use it more than 5 years it takes senior me.
Get your bag.
Oga James is bonding.
Your bag.
Who did this one? That's my security guard. Let's go in.
Security. Idiot. And I even get 2 moto. Oga James is bonding. Hey!
Look at this idiot.
Oguru the kweba.
Oguru.
Akachi, it's an AC. That's what it's called.
Oh, and I think I have to reduce it till she gets used to it. Hello. Okay, Gibo. They should call you Akagon. Idiot. Akagon, did I say? God has.
Hamatan. But Hamatan July. December.
I got you. Come. I'll show you around the house. Okay?
Let's go. This side, Nana, get answer.
Of course. I'll show you around the house, calm down and have lunch. You're hungry, right? Me too, I'm hungry. Oh, sorry, baby. Come. Hungry. Let's go. Come. Oh, yes.
So we climb up and down. Okay, James, go. Now, how much you buy this house?
I will tell you later.
Okay.
Okay, go. They should go. Yeah, you just came and interrupted my music and dancing. You idiot.
You like it?
It's nice.
Zimuzo, this your house, the kind code where they here. If it be like this, in appendix I go get to.
Why didn't you use the hot water part of the shower to bathe?
Which one be your hot water part of the shower? I don't understand that one. No. I carry pail and bucket to take collect the water while I use stay bath now.
There's hot water and there's cold water. Didn't you see they're indicated there?
Ha! Oh.
Okay, not to worry. You won't understand. When we're done eating, I'll teach you how to make use of it.
See, you get as it is. Really cold. Zimuzo. Who gets this one?
That's yours.
Let's see this thing.
That's macaroni.
Mark. Which kind of mark be this one?
Just sit down and try it. You like it.
Zimuzo now. You forgive me apple with any soup. Even though say na ogbono, I know say I know they too like am. But I for chop am. This one now, I don't know this kind of thing.
No, I don't.
Akachi, it's very tasty. You'll love it, okay? Go ahead.
Akachi, sit down first.
What is this now?
Which kind of food be this
Oh,
one that
what's
they chop?
this? Akachi, what is this? What's this nonsense?
He say make I try am now. The thing sef, you no get any taste. You no get any this thing for mouth. But you sef, Oga James Bonding. How you go tell me say this food now where you dey chop say e sweet you? E sweet, talk true. Did you see the thing now?
Continue.
Will you stop this nonsense? Stop this rubbish! I am eating for Christ's sake!
But the food, you know, Zimuzo, me, I no go fit chop this kind of food though. Ha! I no go fit chop this kind of food now. You dey see, Oga James Bonding, if you lie, your pants no go, if you talk, your pants no go lost, so you go dey come, dey lie, dey give her. Akachi, this thing.
Shut up. Shut up. You talk too much. Try new things.
Which one be Zimuzo? You sef, you go dey here, your husband go dey tell you this kind lie, you go dey believe it. Now, e just dey make you dey look like idiot. Because this food now, e no sweet. E no sweet. One small sweet, see, taste e no get. Abeg, if una get garri, make you give me, make I drink, because I no go fit chop this thing.
Honey, I warned you. I warned you. It is not late to take her back. Please.
Honey, I know what she did is bad. I know. But at least let's just focus on her strengths and not her weaknesses.
Strength?
Yes.
Darling, that girl does not have respect for you. See the way she calls your name, Zemozo. As if she doesn't know you're older than her.
Honey, it's okay. I'm just her elder cousin. And I'm used to her. She has always called me by my first name ever since we were little. It's not much of a problem. Don't make a fuss out of it, please.
So how about your food she bashed?
Honey, but it's my food she bashed and not yours. I'm not complaining. It's okay. Just give this girl a little chance.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Please.
It's okay. I have it under control. Don't worry. Very soon, she'll be polished and classy. I'll make sure of that.
Polish and classy. You are Joseph the Dreamer.
And you are James Bond. Oh. What's that name she calls you?
James Bond.
I can't even pronounce that. She's such a character. Please, just overlook her.
It's alright.
You know she's a blunt person. Overlook everything she says and she does.
As James Bond, but
can you not call yourself that name?
Prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the master key. Jesus started with prayer and ended with prayer. Prayer is the master key. Is the master key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the master key. Jesus started with prayer and ended with prayer. Prayer is the master key. Is the master key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the master key. Jesus started with prayer and ended with prayer. Prayer is the master key. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Have mercy on us, O Lord.
Akachi, I don't like what you did at the time. How could you do a thing like that? Why are you liking my food to poop? See?
Have mercy on us at the cross and station keeping. Stood the mournful mother weeping.
Akachi.
Zimuzo, you notice how they pray?
I'm talking to you, answer my question.
Ndonu, sorry. Maybe another time I go shut up my mouth, I no go talk. Because if you think say, if I see something, I no go talk with the truth, I say. I no go become candidate of hell because of you. I no be Uncle James Bond wey go dey lie like they give you. I no go lie.
Even if you don't have anything nice to say at all, at least try and be nice. Try and be nice. It's called courtesy. Simple courtesy.
Which one can bring courtesy again? Come for the thing.
It's not courtesy, courtesy. That's what it's called.
Okay, courtesy. Courtesy Sochuku. No problem. Next time I go, Pichi come my mouth. I no go talk anything. You see something. You did not say not is not nice. You keep quiet. I've learned that one this night. Good night. Make I finish my prayer. If person talk truth in pants go miss.
Sacrilege! Sacrilege! Abomination of the highest order!
What's it be that?
No, what do you want to do? You village demon! Look at the way you come out here! To come and download and discriminate your octopuses, parapuses on top of this beautiful and sanctified environment. In Apala!
You be spirit? Eh? Which ugly spirit be this one? I don't know why I no come out with my holy water. Make I take and take sprinkle for your body. Eh? Which evil forest from up here? They talk nonsense. You see woman when they come PC. You they run, they come. What do you want come see? They talk nonsense with this your smelling mouth.
You call my mouth smell. You idiot.
Idiot, mumu.
You look fine. Irresistible, interesting, fine man of the highest composition, and you open this your mouth to call that they say that my mouth is smelling.
Yeah, idiot, you look me finish you. If you look me where you go see say me, I know they fear anybody. Now me be Aka God one Mary. I know they fear anybody. You hear them? Eh? Wait till they run make you come see. Actually they run come. Wait till they run make you come see.
When they come see what? You want to pour rubbish? You want to pour rubbish? Listen, see, I am the chief security officer of this federation of the White House, but a Yellow House. If you mess up right now, I will arrest you and lock you up into that bedroom until death do you part.
See, I no dey fear anybody o. You dey run make you come. Wetin you dey come na make you come see. Idiot, to make thunder wey dey suffer madness, make e strike you there.
You know that thunder will strike.
Idiot.
You want to desecrate. You want to desecrate this holy periphery.
You no dey shame. You come, they carry you from stupid forest where they carry you from. Come, you come dey do security man for pikin where you see near. You know they even shame. Wear blue, carry blue chair. Idiot, bingo.
Push your bushy tick inside. You don't come now. Look at the way she run. Idiot. Come on, Paul. Come on, Paul. Primitive villagic, unexposed, undiluted bushman. May thunder, may 70 thunder that destroyed Jeremiah, Isaac, and Jacob when they were perambulating and excruciating in the wilderness of Jezebel like you. Torment you. May they strike, may they make you go mentally and brainifically unstable. Idiot.
Good. You have a way of making Chuchu very happy. Look at him. He's already sleeping.
No, we mean they make Chuchu happy. Now himself, now they make me happy.
Oh. Well, I have something I want to tell you. Yes.
Yeah, talk now, they hear.
Well, we have decided to pay you for taking good care of our boy.
Oh, Zimuzo, I think say you carry talk or come. I don't know say na this thing now you want to tell me. I want to collect money now to stay with my chuchu bobo.
But it's nothing. This is a way of us showing appreciation because you're doing a good job with Chuchu.
Me, I don't like this type of thing. Are you well? Zimu, you God. Well, if you tell me what you want to do now, no problem. No problem. No say I no go come dey pretend like say me I no like money. I like am. I like am very well.
You Akachi. Meanwhile, it's Zimuzo Iwuchukwu. Yes. Not Iwu God. And don't forget that I am married. So I now bear my husband's surname, which is Zimuzo Ilo. What's all this one? Aka God.
So what you can do your own papa name? You throw away am? You good?
Akachi, we are married. Don't forget that.
Okay.
Well, that aside, you know I'm starting work next week. So I would need you to wake up very early in the morning tomorrow. Get ready. We'll be going to the bank so that I can open up an account for you. Where would pay in the sum of 40,000 naira every month. That will serve as your salary. Yes. What do you say?
Okay. Me, like I will not pretend like say I don't like her money. I like her money.
Hakachi.
My choo boy. You take care of my choo boy. Now that one now I know too like but waiting I go do next and I say I waiting I want.
Yes. Aside that, After opening the account for you, I'll take you out for shopping as well, so I can change your wardrobe. You should now be able to differentiate your clothing. You have clothes for going out, and you have clothes for staying home. Yes.
Wasn't do my own clothes.
Akachi, nothing. Aka, there's nothing wrong with your clothes. We're just, just us saying thank you.
Thank you. And thank you. Help me thank Uncle James Abundance too. Because I know say they bring the money.
You.
I know.
Come, baby. Oh, look at it. Oh, choo-choo.
See now. You don't look at my choo-choo, Baba.
You're doing a good job.
I know.
Come, baby. Come. Sorry.
What is this? This one is big. No, this is too big. Which one too big? This would be too big for me. People know this mbawa everywhere now. Wait.
This. It's like a jumpsuit.
Trouser. Huh. Where the girl?
You're in the city, Aka. You're not in the village anymore.
But make I test this one now. This one ain't go good.
But this is too big.
No. Anything like this now way small past this one. The thing don't turn to hair candidate cloth. This one now go away.
Candidates.
She said I here with the change and
candidates, not candidates.
anymore.
Okay? Okay, just suit yourself. Because I know you wouldn't even agree.
Yeah.
No, Aka, this is too
I
heavy.
really can't take it.
No.
I really can't take it. You know they see
Aka, this is too big. Really. It's too big.
you know big anything, you know Zimozo. You know big anything.
Alright. Suit yourself. It's okay.
What is this?
Excuse me? What is it? Sorry?
You wear this cloth to come out from her house? Huh? No, this thing when you wear now, you wear and come out from her house to come here.
Comport yourself.
Comport when you see, you naked though. You don't know? Eh? See, make I tell you, if in our village you come out like this, children go just turn you to death in one pay.
What is wrong with you? You are embarrassing me.
Embarrassing one be. Eh? See what the person we come out from a house.
And who is this uncouth fellow? So sorry. I apologize a lot. 2 minutes.
Wetin be uncut? Eh? No insult me oh. Zimozo tell am if you insult me for here now, I go just slap you. Who you dey insult? See the kind thing wey you wear come out from your own house.
Can you keep quiet?
Tell am say I get single bone. Palikwa mukita mag zaga. No see cloth wey you wear everywhere. Tear. You carry am come out from your house to come enter here. They tell me you uncut. In which shop? If you even though say na you get to the shop, wetin can happen?
Meet me outside.
Who give you this kind thing wey you wear? Where this girl wear there for you? Make them bring wrapper give you, make you tie cover body. You know they see this kind better cloth to make you take cover. This thing wey you wear now, you know say you naked everywhere. Tear. You dey show body. Where the girl wear there for here? Abi you talk say na your place? Don't enter by yourself. She. See now. See butterfly. Butterfly. I fly away. See butterfly. See butterfly. 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 See? Obi. See Obi. See Obi. There's no dressing bee. No, sorry. See Obi. Let us see butterfly. Oh.
Oh, look at my boy. Look at you.
I can see how you.
That is bondage. I do fine.
Okay, Akachi, we were set to leave, yeah? So take good care of our boy. Okay. Though you're doing a good job, I have to give it to you. Okay.
Alright, Hadi.
Alright then.
I trust what you can do.
Of course.
Good day then, bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Chuchunwa kamkaragi inine Unye namu dinjo inine Ejere nkuru mirinje nyenwa inine Asimu kwa yuwa miri nwa inine No, your name na Chuchu Chuchunwa kamkaragi inine Unye namu dinjo inine Eje nkuru mirinje nyenwa inine Asimu kwa yugwa miri nwa inine Miri kwa yugwa miri nwa inine. Hey, nah, why they shock like that now? Yeah, sorry. If you want to make I back you, I go back you. Eh? Yeah? Yeah, make I put you for my back. Yeah. You go sleep for here. Tata kuchone bela akwa digi malubube. Ochi kacha malo chichi. Chiririn wantinti. Tata kuchone bela akwa digi malubu.
I told you, we made the right choice. Now I can concentrate on my job without worry.
And I am glad you are at peace.
Honestly, I am. I am so happy. Really, there is nothing like family.
I love to see you this happy.
Yep.
Perhaps we can...
Honey, I know where you're going with that. I know. It's okay. At least you've been patient enough with me for some months now.
Yeah. And that's why I want to swallow you.
I know. Come here. Give me that.
I am going to swallow you.
Kill me, baby. Kill me, honey. Kill me. I'm dead. Yes. Yes, kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Push it harder, baby. Push it harder. Honey. I'm dead. baby, I'm dead. Oh, kill me, baby, kill me. Oh, kill me. Oh, yeah. Jesus. Hey! Jesus! What is it? Breaking over in West. I'm okay. But don't change. Are you okay? Bring chair. Akachi, what are you doing? Bring chair. Breaking West. Leave my husband. Get out. I said get out. Oh my goodness. Oh my baby. Honey. Come down. Are you okay? Will you get out? What is wrong with you?
They shout for me. And I won't come help you fight now.
Oh God, look at this girl.
This man, they beat you.
I said get out. Leave this place this minute.
So, oi kokunu na akwa. Mwambiri, then so. Ndarwala.
Will you get out? Look at this girl. Oh God, this girl is stupid. God, are you okay?
Are you kidding me right now? How can I be okay? How can I be okay?
Sorry, it wasn't intentional. Sorry.
She just saw my nakedness. She saw it.
It's nothing. Don't mind her. You know she behaves like a goat at times. Don't mind her, please. Let's continue.
Continue what?
Baby.
Yes.
I can't face her. I mean, she caught me having sex with you.
And so, come on, honey. It's nothing. It's not much of a big deal. Stop talking like that. It's nothing. Oh.
Baby, it's nothing to you because she was your sister. But me, it's embarrassing.
Embarrassing?
Yeah.
Honey, come off it. How can you say a thing like that? Because of Akachi. How can Akachi make you feel embarrassed? For Christ's sakes, we are married. Huh? Akachi that eats and feeds on embarrassing moments like food. Oh, honey, please, come off it. It's nothing.
I really can't put up with this for too long. But I am going to do this because of you and my boy.
Oh, thank you so much, hon.
You're welcome.
You're so sweet. Husband of the year.
Yeah.
Stop.
So, I'm ready?
I know. I just have to finish up. I'm so late for work, really. Okay, baby.
You're good?
I'm done. What? Don't miss me too much.
Oh, you look good. You're beautiful.
Okay, darling.
I like
Let's
it.
go.
Shish. Your mama say na from Ikwa Iko then take born you. So make I use this holy water sanitize you from all those things that dem do you. So that you go become heavenly candidates like me. Don't you? God don't certify you. You sanitize everything. You know the hell comes with it.
Okay, we'll set for work. Yeah? Akachi, just look after the baby. Make sure you bathe him and feed him, okay? Off.
Okay.
Akachi, are you okay?
Are they okay? Zimuzo. You and Uncle Jimmy's bondings. Una go for confession today.
Yes, we will. But just make sure you take good care of my boy. Okay? I'll see you when I'm back.
Ndenjo. Okiko. So, your mama and your papa, okiko.
Jesus! Boys! Shit! Boys!
Who's calling for eye?
Help!
Get out of this place!
Jesus. This guy. I am automatically metamorphosed into a modern day blindness. It's a modern day blindness. Blind Bartimaeus. Modern day blind Bartimaeus.
You see, get him out to they speak that nonsense when they speak. I didn't say that slap, he enter you where. You for not see him out to speak that nonsense.
Is it the woman that gave me this automatic brain reset? Or is it an auspicious for night? No! It can never be a woman. It is either a transgender or a Mophrodite.
You see, get him out to the talk rubbish. You see, get him out to the speak rubbish. I know sure say this slap say enter you. If not, all this your English way they speak. If you don't find way speak Igbo, you have to come out for here. They go your duty post. They go. Idiot. They go. Want to tempt someone very like me. They will Gambia. And they dance idiot is room now. Nonsense and ingredients. I beg you.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you, dear.
Look at you. Long time, dear.
Oh, that is
Look at this girl. Hottest baby in town, baby.
you can't say that again.
You're really looking smashing and dazzling. What's the secret?
Aye!
What is it?
Zimuzo Ebu God. How you gonna say this person looking good? Like this, Zimuzo. This one might be the biggest lie when me I don't hear for my life. How you go tell this person like this? Onya the kosu.
Akachi!
Bat.
My God! I'm sorry.
How you go tell her like that type of lie? No, now you look this person finish like this. You tell her say she looking good. Onya the kamamunda bagana.
Akachi! What is wrong with you? Will you stop that?
And you say your name now waiting. Amaka. Now who give you Amaka? That person do you bad though. He do you bad now. A joker they forgive you. Makana ijoro. See your face.
Okay. My dear, please. I'm so sorry.
The person do you bad though.
Akachi, shut up your mouth. Akachi, go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. What's wrong with you, this girl? Go inside. What is wrong with you?
Ogini, I've had enough of your embarrassment. Go inside and never come back. Out. Go inside, talk to that girl.
My darling, please forgive me. Forgive me. That's my cousin. I just brought her from the village. It's okay. She's so blunt and ras.
Then you have to take her back.
No, my friend. My friend, just sit. I can't take her back. I can't possibly do that. You remember my last experience with my last help. Please. She's the only person I can trust with my son.
I
can see. You have to be putting up with her for a moment. But anyway.
It's okay, just sit down. Yes, now you understand. Okay. I hate this girl. I get this from this girl all the time. I don't know what to do with that girl. She keeps on embarrassing me like this in front of visitors.
I see. That means you have to chain her anytime you are expecting visitors.
Maybe you're right. So what do I offer you?
Happy to see you.
Oh,
Mealtime.
look at this girl. Look at your skin. Always glowing.
She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty
This
and
is yourself.
natural.
If she and this her work, you get a CBO. Person go tell her something, baby food you don't finish it. He go tell you say I go buy before you know you don't forget am.
She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty and natural, loving and sincere, and I love.
This speaking now, you know get as you want to really chop that food the way me at the job. Don't dey call number, you know they go. And I no get on Oga James bundle number now to call am. Wetin I wan do now?
She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty and natural, loving and sincere, and I love her way. She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty and natural, loving and sincere, and I love her way.
What is that? What is eBay? eBay? As if you are the one that gave me the name. You don't have respect. Can't you call me Oga eBay? Oga eBay? Like eBay.
He don't do, sorry. Wetin make me find you come, choo food. The food you don't finish and the mama no keep any money. So make you give me small money so that I go buy food. If your mama come, he go give you back.
God, Kai. No. You would have said it in a sweet and spontaneous and auctions way that you have turned into a Yahoo girl. But you know what? You are talking to a smart, intelligent, inspirational, and a factual man. Idiot.
Emani we goat. Na wetin you be? Idiot, na you be.
How, Susan?
I know say you no get the money. All this English, I no even know wetin carry me come here, come meet you for money. Shishi, you no get it. All this English wey you dey speak, you be say you no know as you go take open your mouth to tell me say you no get the money. Idiot, Zambi.
Let me quickly, or quickly, I should come out, Susan here. Look. Look at this dilapidated, undefined ritual. Come get out. Look at this idiot. Had it been that you came with a kind of baby, baby, can you give me some money I can as well in turn and idiot. You think you can smart me with your sweet coated Yahoo tongue?
Which money? Now 10 naira you see for the bros. Give me my money now.
For you
now. Give me my money. Give me my money. I'm not.
Now wait, where go?
Give me my money. Cry. Give me my money. Give me my money.
See, I don't collect anything.
You don't collect anything. Now 10 naira you see there. Just give me my money and you go get problem now. Give me. The money not complete. Give me my money. Give me my money. Not that will fire you. Where are you going to? My baby. You're fighting with my baby. If that boy don't carry my money, what don't get nothing wrong.
Akachi, what are you doing here?
What were you doing? With a beg. Begging?
Get me to the car.
Madam, welcome home. Welcome.
What kind of embarrassment is all this? And you're still talking. You still have mouth to talk.
Jesus. Thunder from Nando! Fire you there! Idiot!
Why do you keep embarrassing me like this? What is wrong with you?
Akachi. Everyone in the estate saw you begging with my son. It was an insult on my person. Do you know what a betrayal?
Maybe concern me with everyone for estate. What's importantly to me now for chew bobo to chop food, nothing important again.
Importantly?
Chew bobo dey hungry na to go buy food for him now so that he go chop before akoko gono come body.
I'll go get his food.
Okay, upstairs. Will you leave my baby alone?
The sun they beat us that time when we dey for there. This begging thing is no easy. Make I just go back from sun beat us well for that place. And I should say in head now it go dey hot.
Look at how the whole environment is smelling. Stinking! Because you stink. Go and take your shower before you touch my baby. Silly thing. Come baby, let me change what you're wearing. Can you imagine?
Yeah, you know he's been known.
Yes. And this time, we're gonna do it this way, like beating you home and away.
Now what? Two papa lolos like una. Sit down here they play. Eh?
Akachi, what is it?
What is it? Two papa lolos like una people, papa.
Akachi, what is it?
And they talk with you they laugh. What did they make you laugh? Eh?
Are you okay?
If they open your 32, they laugh, they look me. You they play what? No be person papa you supposed to be.
James, where do you bring her from?
Bring who from? You when they bring you from person papa like you sit down for here, they open your 32, they play what?
Well, she's Z's cousin. She stays with us.
Oh, she's funny.
I know they'll do that.
Akachi, will you just shut up? Shut up and go inside. Get something to do.
All this something, I don't do every something finish. No something day again. Waiting at the talk now, why two of una go
Can you
down?
just shut up? Get out! Get out!
I go. The thing be say, if person talk truth to him, pant no go miss. And as I don't talk the truth to now, my own pant you no miss. If una like me, if una like una leave am. I don't talk my truth.
James, boy oh boy, this girl is such a big clown. Believe me, if I have this type for a house help, I'll be laughing all my life.
Not this one. She's so annoying.
No, she's funny. Just imagine, if we're not like, make we not like. If we're not like, make we not like. Like we don't have a choice.
No, listen, since this girl came into this house,
Yeah.
it has been so hot. It has been from one issue to another.
Come on, James. Enough about the girl. I was going to give you this. Another big two. If you not like, make you not like me. If you not no like, make you not like me. Now you're getting the humor. Well, big two, don't carry love, spoiler. Big two.
eBay. Open the gate. Go. Okay. You want to Comotus and then Leventus, the Juventus of this arena.
Ibe, can you please open the gate? I don't have time for your drama.
Yes, sir. Your wish is my attention.
Guy, you've got lots of comedians around you. You know it costs so much getting comedians together for a comedy show. And you're here getting it all for free. No high BP, no heart attack.
The same comedians can cause you high blood pressure with their useless behavior.
Not this very one I'm seeing.
Preach. Now waiting.
What do you mean I'm waiting? You know they hear yourself? You know they hear yourself? Yeah? Fine. What is the scientific significance and botanical names to this photosynthesis that is energizing itself?
You be idiot. Idiot, now wetin you be?
Mu idiot! Eh?
Now you the security this place, you don't know where your house is. Eh?
I got the mu idiot! Fine. You have just entered into a case study under a research case in subsection 3 of the constitutional law. You know what? I will help you to enjoy this madness.
Who the man?
You want us to mad, right? I will help you. Madness galore.
He dey mad.
No wonder! This is real!
Because they sing, heyo, heyo. What is your name?
More.
My name is Iwu God, Akachuku, yes. Aka God.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Ibe. Ibe Aka.
Heyo. What is your name? My name is Iwu God, Aka God, Iwu
God.
God.
Now.
Sheep, shut up, don't interrupt me. Hi. Evie. You know say Zimuzo and Oga James Bond Ndarwala. I go chuchu room. At the hear Zimuzo, they shout, I die. Ayo, kill me. Yes.
Kill me.
Ayo, I am dead. Kill me. Oh, I'm in heaven.
Kill me in heaven.
Yes. I listen. It's coming from Uncle James Bonding and Zimuzo Iwu God room.
Are you serious?
I fly inside. I say, let me help Zimuzo Iwu God to fight. Yes. I rush inside and I hold Uncle James Bond on the torso. Yes. As I hold, I think I'm saving Zimuzo Iwu God. Zimuzo is shouting, leave my husband alone. Leave my husband alone.
Did you say anything? Did you say
Uncle James Bond. Yes. Uncle James Bond tried to cover. But Ibe, I see Uncle James wanting something. I see something that is using to parabit Zimuzo Iwu God.
Do it.
Yes. Do it.
Anakwa. Ikoka anakwa.
They are pushing cup.
Push. Serious cup pushing. Pushing. Ndo. Iko.
You see, you. I said it. I said it that you are superficially energized and a standard strong queen.
Shut up.
I tell you, the autonomous brain reset you gave me left me with speechless, thoughtless, and that time would make me feel speechless.
Shut up. Yo, see, eBay. Your problem is that you speak what you don't even understand.
John.
Why is sleeping?
Ibe!
Can you believe that Ibe is not at the gate?
Yes. He's not even picking his calls. It's okay, I'll trust you. But did he tell you he was going somewhere?
He didn't tell me anything.
See, let me tell you, Uncle Jim is bonding and Zimuzo, a woo god. A hell candidate. What did I say?
What is going on here?
Hell candidate.
What is going on here, Kachi? Akachi.
Benjo, how about Ago?
Where's my baby?
Who's that?
Where's my baby?
Who's that?
Come back. Ibe. So you abandoned the gate to mess around with this useless fool.
Shut up! Shut up!
Look at you, DJ. Just
shut up!
It is okay.
Shut up.
And you have the guts. You have the guts to go to my bar. You took my wine without my consent.
Give me my...
Come
on, give me my drink.
You will hear from me. You will hear from me. Get out of here! Just...
Then
get out!
Then Joe. Come pushers. Useless
fool!
You're quite cool.
As for you,
If you cannot shut up, you shut down.
your days are numbered in this house.
Who's talking? Habatago, idiot.
Hold my wife.
As I was talking, Ibe.
Oh, please.
Calm down. Honestly, darling, I've had it up to here. I am tired.
It's okay. At least let's be patient a little bit. Please, she's doing a good job with our son.
The one she abandoned to get herself drunk. Darling, it is high time she left. We'll find another person. We'll definitely get another person.
So if she leaves, what will happen to my job? Honey, let's just exercise a little patience. Please. She's doing a good job. She knows what she's doing.
I haven't said she's not doing a good job. But she's full of embarrassment. I am tired.
No, it's okay. It's okay, please. Do you want to eat now? Do you want to eat something? Let me get you something to eat. I won't be long.
Okay, I am sorry. Madam, please forgive me. It is this feminine gender that you brought, that brought the apple. She was the one that gave me the apple. The wine. And my spirit was very strong. Telling her, no. All of a sudden, wow! She turned into a serpent. Boom! And I didn't know what happened later.
No, they call my name now. No, they call my name now. For that your dirty smelling mouth. If you want beg your beg now, beg your own beg, make I beg my own beg.
Oh, you idiot!
Idiot, imbecile, or Joe.
Cock it out, you idiot! Look at this idiot was vamoose from this house. See, I can't help back at this immediately.
Now you go vamoose. Now you go vamoose first. Kaikru. Kaikru na. Moku betam. Now you go first vamoose. Idiot. Zimuzo, you know say this thing now. You know say me I be your sister. Make you not let Oga Miss Bondi make you come carry me go for village because me I be your sister. This man now, I don't know where I'm from come. I don't know where I'm from come. Before I go village now, come go there so far.
You see what you've caused for yourself. This is how you keep embarrassing me. What if we came in with a visitor? What would be your reaction? You were just there, both of you, displaying the nonsense and the nuisance here in my living room. How do you explain that?
I don't change now. I no go do am again. Now make you beg, help me beg or Uncle James Bonding. I no go do am again.
You change. Impossible. This idiot can never change. You can.
No, they call me idiot again. No, they call me idiot again now.
If you touch me on an idiot, since she can only metamorphose into an annoying mosquito. Sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Listen, both of you. I am going to monitor you for some time. Then I will decide whether you stay or leave my house. Because I've had it up to my neck. Enough is enough.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
You help him. He said he would monitor you from now onwards. So it is in your best interest that you be in your best behavior.
Good. You are being monitored. Sorry, ma.
And you, respect yourself. Out.
Yes, ma. They are monitoring.
To your duties in the post. Left and right.
Black Delilah. Eve. Serpent.
Security work.
I said out! Come on, out! Out!
Sorry, ma.
You can be. Bingo.
Just come outside.
You go come now. In bed.
Catch, what do I do with you? I don't know. Get up!
Thank you.
Hi.
So like this, Uncle Jimmy is bonding for just collecting me go drop for village.
Yeah.
I don't get BP, my BP don't rise now.
Then stop disgracing us, stop embarrassing us.
No, do
eh? Stop!
No, do it again.
Look at the black Delilah. Black Delilah, Eve, and the serpent. 3 in 1 person. Unholy Trinity. God forbid.
Idiot. Bingo. Ewu Zambia. See as they dress you blue on top of blue. If you make mistake now cross from that gate now, there they go carry you back to the prison yard where you from come out. Idiot. Ewu Zambia.
Look at somebody who is in the prison. Idiot. Look at this Igbo. 3 in 1 person. Unholy Trinity. Go punish you.
No be your mate carry. I even sure say you senior am. You senior Uncle James Bond, you senior am. See your face.
May unmarried angry thunder from now to strike you there.
He don't strike your destiny, I make you dey wash car.
Idiot. You see me that you're singing episode, tell me it is you that is the episode. You know that I can battle with this idiot. What is that person talking for?
Hey, don't drop. What's that your name?
My name?
Oh, yes, your name.
My name Unaka God. Wait, make I go call Uncle James Bonding for you.
No. There will be no need for that. I mean, can we just have a little talk?
Talk?
Yes.
Huh. Waiting, we want talk. Echela putamoku no. Waiting, you say name be that your name again?
I am Odinaka. You can call me Odi.
Odinaka, Odinuku, anyone where you want answer, you answer. See, make I tell you, Uncle James Bonding, name be my monitoring spirit now. If you see me say I dey talk, ona, eruomono, don't carry me, I go village and I no go come again. So even though saying send you, say make you go do me so that I go talk something, tell and say you no see me, say I don't jump and pass.
What hold? He did not send me to you. I came on my own. Yes, I just I like the way you talk. I mean, you make me laugh.
Me, I make you laugh.
Yes.
So I'll go no money nko yeri. Nko echia.
Not exactly my point. I just mean you are funny. Yes.
I'm funny. I got an account because zuo nike. Zuo ike nugo. Go call Uncle James Bond.
Odilo, my man.
Good friend.
How far now? You didn't tell me you were coming. What a surprise visit.
Your house is becoming more fun every day. And you know I'm a lover of fun and happiness.
I know. You're welcome. Please,
yes.
Sit.
Can you tell her to get me a glass of water?
Water?
Ah, yes.
Don't worry, let me get it for you.
Yeah, that was fast.
I'm telling you. So what's up? How you doing?
I am good. Akakod, can you please tell her to get me airtime?
Why don't you recharge from your bank account?
James, can you just please call her?
Well, I mandated her not to see my visitors anymore.
Why would you do that?
What else? To avoid embarrassment.
Embarrassment, you call it?
Yes.
No. I don't call it embarrassment because she makes me laugh. So, okay, even though you want to call it embarrassment, why not just go ahead and call her? Let me manage the embarrassment myself.
No, right. Let's not talk about that for now.
I just can't stop thinking about this girl. She's a cure for this baby. I'll have to go and see them tomorrow evening.
She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty and natural, loving and sincere, and I love her way. She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty and natural, loving and sincere, and I love her way. She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty and natural, loving and sincere, and I love.
Honestly, Aka, you're the only one that can take good care of Chuchu. You can see he's so fond of you.
Now my true Bobon, he go like me past every other person. Bobon Ketim.
Good afternoon, buddy. No verse you.
Ibe, just go ahead and shoot.
Shoot what?
Yes.
I don't have a gun. Shoot who? Shoot who?
Ibe, it simply means go ahead and say what you wish to say.
Okay. Fine. Ogode, you are now frequently, consistently, vigorously, and unceremoniously visiting this house on a daily basis. What can we attribute and ascribe to that?
Ibe, your too many grammars has even made me lost answer to your question. Let me just go inside. I hope your guy is back.
Yes. You see, even Madam dismissed on time today.
Perfect. I'll go just in and see them.
It shall happen one day. This will constant visit. You are Nakachi. I'm here. It will happen. And
You're doing a good job, I must say. Oh, there you are.
Obia Ozona no Fubi.
Z the Z. How are you today?
Oh, good.
Zumuzo. Iwochukwu. Ogo anazazi Z-word. TV. Eh?
Did she just say Z-word TV?
Oh. You've seen her now. My sister can be very funny at times.
Exactly what I told James, but on the contrary, he felt she's embarrassing. Is she your sister?
Yeah, my favorite cousin at that. Yeah.
Akagodo Nkemma. Nkemma.
I can go upstairs and tell my husband that Odi is here to see him.
Oga Jimmy is bonding to no day. Every time you leave your house,
that
person has you know the tire.
Very funny girl, very funny.
So how's Chuma doing?
So. She's doing well.
Thank God say this boy don't sleep. Madam.
Kill me. Take me to heaven. Yes. Yeah. Take me to heaven. Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh, kill me.
Ndị arụ ụmụ oge so iko ka zi m ụzọ na-apa na-eti.
Honey.
Yes.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I did. Continue. Yes. Continue.
You and your husband, you people think you can implication me? Fornicators of hell candidates. You cannot implication me because me, Aka God, one Mary, I'd go sharp. Very, very sharp.
She's talking.
Don't mind her. Don't mind that idiot. Continue.
If you want to die now, you
they shout, I die, I dead. Eh? Every time when they push this your cup now, I die, I dead, I die, I dead. Zimus or die. If you die now on top of these fornications where you dey commit like this, now straight to hell, hellfire, straight ahead. You die, you die, you dead. Every time, you dey push cup, you dey die, you dey die. You know they die now, Zimuzo, die. Ha! They are rural. I know say you no go gree open door now, but you dey hear my voice. You dey hear am. They are rural. Gamna zuwa mi wota. Ndị arụrụ ala gaa n'azụ, ọkwa iko bụ nwa mami wọta. Di m ụzọ ọkwa iko bụ nwa mami wọta. Ndị arụrụ ala gaa mụ n'azụ, ọkwa iko bụ nwa mami wọta. Gaa m n'azụ, ndị arụrụ ala gaa mụ n'azụ o. Hi! This is the tire. Ha! Diego. Oh. Nafana na monso. Amen. Virgin Maria dị nsọ mere ha ebere. Nna anyị bi n'eluigwe mere ezi m ụzọ na di ya ebere ọga James Bond. Eze eluigwe mee ka this their ịkwa iko make that cup full. Make this their iko full so that they no go get anything wey dem go dey do again. Na fana na nwa na monso. Amen. Which kind of thing be this one, Nazimuzo? Ha! Oh, look on board. Akachi, wake up. What's going on? You woke up late today. How come? Are you okay? I won't take sleep well. When every night and I so shout, you go dey shout. You and Uncle James Bond gonna quiet. Shut up for my mouth. Because if you find me good education.
Akachi, honestly, you cannot be monitoring myself and my husband in our house. Besides, you can't stop us from performing our marital duties to each other because you live here. For Christ's sakes, sex between a husband and a wife is not a sin.
But it's holy. In the eyes of man and even in the eyes of God. Yes. Anyway, very soon you'll get married. You will understand what I am saying.
God forbid. God forbid. I reject it and I cancel it.
What's the God forbid for? Is it that you will not get married or you will never have sex?
Give me choo-choo. You make a go back from. They find who you go carry joy for your health.
Hey, bye. Ah, Akachi, you're a case. Really. You're indeed a case.
Native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all.
I need to go to James' house. I know he won't be back by now, but I'll wait for him and at least get the opportunity to watch Akakot. I need to have a good laugh, man. If that girl at Tobugum, I am her biggest fan. I think she would do well as a comedian because it's natural in her.
Natural, love it as is, and I love our way.
Ogode, good afternoon, sir. See, Oganodeo.
That's not the problem. I'll wait for him.
You wait for him?
You may open the gate.
Okay.
So pretty and natural, loving as is, and I love her way. She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all. So pretty and natural, loving as is, and I love her way.
Ibe, how are you?
Well, I am bubbling, tumbling, and kicking fine.
Ibe, you should learn to start taking it easy with this your big grammar. Okay?
Yeah. Fine, no problem. No problem. Ogode, I am beginning to suspicious and wondrous this your recent and frequent and rigorous visit to this periphery. With due respect, sir, can you give me a simple and clear explanation to this confusing new development?
Ibe, I really don't have time right now for this your big grammar. But you know what? Take this. Get yourself a very cold bottle of Fanta. At least that will help cool down your hot head.
Oh God, he what away. He what is way. What's up?
So no more grammars, right?
Of course! No more big grammars.
Perfect.
Our lack of money that is causing all these big grammars. I am telling you. See, listen. Anybody that you see that is speaking this speaking all this nonsense, check that person's pocket or the empty. It is lack of money that is causing us all this nonsense. I am telling you. We know all these things. What is causing it is lack of money. They are suffering from what I call monoko. Monoko. Moniria. That is what is. I'm telling you.
Interesting. You're funny. Let me go.
Listen, God, in one single monopoly, can you just give me one sachet, one note of this again?
eBay.
So that the cure will be permanent. The only thing that can solve this ailment called monoko and monaria is money.
This is the cure.
Exactly. Thank you very much. Oh God!
Let me go inside and wait for you.
No. But can you I don't. Okay.
I will be inside.
Bye. Just go here and come back tomorrow. Yes. This is like it. This man understands this language. With this, one cold beer, like he said. Then with this and this, I want with that dirty Donald. Now call herself Akachi. I will use this to intimidate you. God!
Dinaka. Uncle James Bondins don't come.
No, he's not back, but I'll wait.
Okay.
Why are you sleeping here by this time of the day?
I no go talk oh. Make I no go talk now, you go call implication me. I no want go village.
Oh, no. Trust me. I'll tell no one. What happened to you?
I will tell nobody.
I promise.
Okay. See, every night. Na so zimuzo nwe iwu God na nkwa iko.
What? Iko? Which one? Is James aware of this?
Yes, now. Now the two of them, they do the thing.
God, what they are doing is not bad because they are married.
So you too, you follow. You follow, they do this thing too, and you don't marry. You they follow your wife, you they kwaiko too. Now the innocent woman, now you they drag, they go hellfire. You they kwaiko too. Ndi ogugoge, ndarurala.
God, even the Bible says, anyone who is married and does not do it will end up in hell.
Which kind of Bible tell you that one? Which Bible?
God, don't worry. I'll search for it later and show it to you. Yes.
Okay. Now the same Bible, now you still talk, say, if Muzimuzo they do the thing, make she they shout, I die, kill me, I dey heaven. That heaven where she dey shout, so na hell na in they call am, because na hell she dey go.
God, you not stop making me laugh.
Okay. Now the thing where they make me now, I dey sleep because I know say for night I no go fit to sleep.
God, why not consider taking your things to another room? That way they don't get to disturb you at night.
Okay.
distracted.
It's okay.
I had to see my wife at the office.
Not a problem.
So, where is Akachi?
Possibly she's upstairs.
Uncle James, Bonis. Welcome.
Thank you. Please, get us 2 bottles of chew. Yeah.
Okay.
You know, we've not had beer for some time.
Yeah, it's been a while, I don't know. You're right.
How's it okay?
Oh, well, good.
So, what about an opener? Opener?
This one I go open it.
What is it?
What's that? Make I open it.
Don't touch it!
What happened?
Why did you open the beer with your teeth?
Uncle James bonding, see if na because of my teeth clean, and I like this with the opener.
Auntie, please. Let me
James, don't worry. I'll drink it.
My teeth clean, Uncle James bondings. Take it home. You see, me cannot open your own.
Get me an opener. It's not funny, honestly. It's not funny. It's not funny, please.
Honestly, it is bad. And you should learn.
But that thing where I do for there, I don't see anything way bad for inside though. After all, the natural opener way God give me, now they open the drink.
Even though you should take correction. You're not supposed to act like that. At least sometimes act as if you're polished.
Polish? How go they act like a polish?
I don't necessarily mean you should act like polish. What I mean is you should behave like someone that is educated. Someone that went to school. That's what I mean.
But I don't go to school now. I won't continue to do like person will go.
It's okay. It's alright. Let me go check up on Chuchu.
They sleep. Simozo, you no go die, yo. You no go die, nothing go kill you. That cup where you dey push, you no go kill you. God no go let that happen. As far as say, me, Aka God want marry day for this house. If no be for anybody's sake, for my sake, God no go let you make you die. Ha! Gigi tutu boy. Give me. I dead now. See you see dead though. See you see dead. Ha! Oga James Bond too. To dey push the cup, you know dey tire you. She go still dey shout, kill me, I dead, I dead. You go still dey do until maybe she die, but no, God no go gree am happen. Hi. Chineke. Which kind of suffer be this one? Oh, Diego. Again, every night. Now so I kill me, I die, I kill me.
Where are you off?
I dey go downstairs make I dey sleep. I don't want to dey sleep close to una again. I don't sleep close to una. Ma dey woom. Oginede.
Kill you. How?
You now?
How?
Zimuzo, every night now so you go dey shout to kill me, I die. Zimuzo, I beg you, make you just die on your own. Make I come here, come stay.
Oh, that. Akachi, I like to mourn. And my husband likes it when I mourn. Push it harder. Kill me. Yes, Akachi, yes. We cannot deny ourselves the pleasure because of you. It's impossible. That's how we like it.
No, you don't worry. Zimuzo, no even tell me again. No explain. My ear you don't do. The one I don't hear, you don't do me. As e be now, I don't come out from that up, I don't come down. Zimuzo, if you won't die, make only you die they go. Make you know drag me follow you, go the grave.
Okay. If you say so. But you know, Chuchu's room is up there. So would you be going to and fro the stairs all the time?
Zimuzo, you better for me. You better.
Suit yourself. Just carry that things downstairs.
Oh, thank God. It's better. Now we have a privacy and freedom.
Yeah, I know that. Though her being upstairs is still, it helps with easy navigation with Chuchu.
Honey, she can always come upstairs. And we can also call her anytime the boy is crying.
Well, it's okay. Would you believe she still thinks sex between married couples is a sin?
Have you seen it? Oh, God. Listen, darling. You have to get her a home tutor to coach her. Yes. Because her illiteracy is quite overwhelming.
Yeah, she's quite a character, I know. Anyway, I'll think about that, don't worry.
All right.
So,
yeah.
Okay. I need to do this. Okay. Let's go. Come for what again? What?
Now that we have our freedom, don't you think we should? You know what I'm saying?
No, I don't. What's that?
Come on, Les.
Don't you get tired? So you don't get tired of pushing cup?
Pushing cup?
That's what she calls it.
Alright, okay. Fine.
Don't worry, let's go. When I'm back, okay?
It's alright. So you...
I'm not running away, am I?
This Uncle James Bondens, makwa no case akwa di iko. You sabi di iko well. If not, see as Zimunzo they take shout. But you, I no blame you now. Na Zimunzo, if she shout to say, I kill you, you kill me, I die, she go still carry her body again, still go give you. You go still do the thing, you self, you know they tire. Every time. You go they do like say, you know they fit to match cockroach. But you, if you enter that room to Kwaiko, the kind thing where you they do, where person picking go they shout, I die. Then that run. Oh God, I can live with that thing. You know go fit to find that thing for there. How the same Bible where tell us to say make we know Kwaiko. Come they talk say make married people come they Kwaiko. Which kind of talk be that one?
Akechi, can you just wait? Let me just take my time and search, and I will show you that it's in the Bible.
You no get any talk. You no go fit see that thing for there.
Akechi, I found it. 1 Corinthians 7, from verse 3 to 5. Now listen. The husband should fulfill his marital duty to his wife, and likewise the wife to her husband. That's verse 3.
Which kind of thing be that one where you read from where? You carry phone, they read the thing where you keep there. Come they tell me say na waiting they write. Wait, make I bring my own Bible.
Your Bible cannot be different from this one now. Hey, I can't go. You serious?
Yes. Corinthians.
It should be the New Testament.
Corinthians again.
7.
First or second?
First.
Okay.
That's 7. 3 to 5. I just want you to
read that your own. Read that your own.
Read form. See what 4 said. The wife had not power of her own body, but the husband. And likewise also the husband had not power of his own body, but the wife. And now 5 now said, defraud ye not one the other, except it be with consent for a time, that ye may give yourselves to fasting and prayer, and come together again, that Satan tempts you not for your incontinency. That's your Bible.
Now what you read for there be that?
Of course.
You think say me I no sabi read? I go read them now, make I dey sure say na the same thing, because see even for school that time for village na first I dey carry safe.
I can imagine.
What be that?
I mean just read.
And akpalimu, you dey insult me?
No, just read.
Ha. For which one? You na 5 abi? Hey. Okwa eziokwu.
I told you.
Na these Corinthians people na the highway o. Ha. But now Paul dey so na he write this Corinthians now.
Yes, of course, it's a letter from Paul to the Corinthians.
No. So the thing when he write na from the Corinthians you, no be for us.
No, Akachi. It's not only for the Corinthians, it's for all Christians.
All.
Mbao.
Ho. No be for everybody. Me, I no follow.
See, let me tell you something, Akachi. All of us on this planet, all came through sex between our parents.
This thing where you dey talk na bullshit. Me, I no come from Ekwaiko. Na wetin dey tell me na akwatara mu n'iko.
No, it is your father and your mother kwara that same iko. They both kwala the cup.
No. Me, I no follow. I no see my mama and my papa do the thing, no. Because, okay, me, when my mama tell me say my papa die when I small. And we no get television. And I no see my mama kwa any kind of iko. Me, I be one Mary. Na God na him create me. And they no kwala iko kwata mo. All these things wey na dey talk now, na wan koju me ishi. Una wan carry plenty things you put for my head, and this thing no be wetin my center people tell me. Until I go back village, I ask my center people, then tell me another thing. I go believe you, but this one I no go take am.
Akachi, let me tell you something. Allow James and your sister to enjoy themselves. What they are doing is not a sin. It's not a sin.
Okay.
Actually, it will become a sin if they don't do it.
Okay. When I reach, I ask my center people. That then go tell me.
Center people.
Yes.
Honestly, the rate at which your friend Odi keeps coming to the house is baffling, especially when you're not around.
I have thought of it, but I think he likes talking to Akachi.
Talking, you say?
Yeah.
I just hope it's just talking and not something else.
Something like what?
You know what I mean.
Sleep with Akachi. Your Akachi be like who fi open legs for man.
Whatever. Anyway, I'll try psyching her. Let me see what she has to say.
But if you ask me, I think Odi is beginning to develop some kind fondness for Akachi.
Akachi and Odi. The combo is something else.
Yeah. Yes. But funny enough,
Yeah.
you don't know, man. You'll be surprised at what could actually attract them to women.
Right.
Yeah. But that's why we advise both ugly, beautiful, classy, local. You have to be yourself because you never can tell what could attract your God-given man. Yes.
Akachi, I want to be sure that he has good intentions for you.
No, what no? Me, aka God Nwamberi. Nothing, he didn't just come say make we talk. We talk. He even teach me some things wey I no know.
Things like what?
He show me for Bible where e dey say no be bad thing if husband and wife kwaiko.
He did? Akachi is the truth. I told you this before. When a husband and a wife is making out, that's making love, it's no more fornication. It's called making sweet love. Sweet, passionate love.
My ear don't fool, e don't do. E don't do. Because you, this Zimozana, the kind thing where you dey like be this, as you don't hear this one now, e don dey sweet you too much. You don't get plenty things where you won't begin to dey talk. No talk again, I don't hear.
But wait a minute, Akachi. How did both of you get into this conversation? What prompted this conversation?
He come see me for where I lie down dey sleep. He come ask me say, whether I no sleep for night. Now I come tell am say, you Say every time for night na kill me. I die now. I'm dead.
Akachi.
Eh?
You actually told him this? Hey, Akachi. Akachi, what is this now? Eh? You mean you actually told him how my husband and I make out? And I'm very sure you told him how I used to mourn as well. Isn't it?
Ask me.
Ha! Akachi. Akachi, hide me now. Hide me. Huh? Must you tell everybody everything that happens in my house? Why do you talk like that?
But Naim ask me.
Hey. How do I face him now? Tell me.
I won't ask you another thing, Why is the Muzo the only they shout I die, kill me, I won't go heaven.
See, Akagod, the feelings is better explained when you're having the sex yourself. See, yeah, it feels like out of this world. See, she likens it to leaving this world and entering into heaven.
Leaving the world and entering into heaven.
Exactly.
Which kind of feeling be that now? Abi, you sure so Oga James Bondi no dey beat am?
No, far from that. You see, even though some couples do rough sex, which involves spanking, koboko, things like that. Yeah.
Koboko?
Yes, whip.
But koboko dey pain na?
Like I said, it's better explained when you're having sex yourself.
Odinaka, if I flog you koboko now, you yourself you go cry pass small pikin no. So wetin you come dey talk koboko? May nobody flog me koboko. Mado piakwam koboko, me I go wipe you koboko back. Which kind sweet thing be that wey go make you wan leave world enter heaven when person dey flog you koboko?
I am beginning to suspicious smell fish this ungodly, daily and consistent, unwilling visit here. I smell fish. A dead fish. But my eyes are on them. Like a microscope. They better not make a bad move. Because if they try it,
All day. All day. It's obvious that this your daily visit is no longer for your man. The other day even left before I came back. What's going on? Talk to me. Tell me.
James, I already told you I enjoy talking to your wife's cousin.
Sorry. Please, can I call you back? Let me call you back, please. You sure say you never fall in love?
Me?
You sure say you never fall in love?
Me?
Yes.
Fall in love? Fall fire. Stop being ridiculous.
See for your eyes now.
I slept in my house.
Guy, they come my house now uninvited.
Come on, James. Was I supposed to write a letter of approval?
You left the other day. You of all people left my house even before I came back without seeing me.
But you said that already before. You have to repeat it. Fall in love? Is James right? But if that's the case, well, she's funny. Even eBay is funny but I don't spend time with him. Now you sure guy man never fall? No, no, no way.
She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a...
Odilo, my man. What they have fun now?
No, James. Your guy don't fall true.
Fall? How?
I can't go this Lugomobile. Guy, I'm serious.
Oh.
James, I just said I am serious.
I heard you. But are you sure? Or are you just catching feelings?
My man, you know it's been hard for me to find a good girl around. All the girls I've been dating in the past are all just gold diggers from one story to another. And I ended up finding this perfect one, Akachi. So it's understandable if I fall for her.
But you know Akachi won't be available for boyfriend and girlfriend things.
Sure, I know.
Unless you're ready to marry her. You better keep your mouth shut.
Yeah, truth be told, I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I was supposed to go see her today, but I just want to suspend it for at least 1 week. Let me know if it is true love or just due to the fact that I've been seeing her almost every day lately.
It's a nice decision, but I will advise you think about it very well. Yeah, because you and I know that Akachi is synonymous to embarrassment. So you have to know if you can put up with her. Though you can get her enlightened by sending her to school.
Okay, James, I'll think about it and get back to you. I just thought to let you know what's up.
It's alright, man. So think about it very well, please. Okay?
Okay, bro.
Later. Yeah. Rakachi. So that's it.
You're welcome.
Thank you, darling.
I was wondering, why didn't your friend Oji come home today? Like he's been doing daily for 3 months now.
Oji called me.
Okay.
And he said he thinks he has fallen for Akachi.
Which Akachi?
Akachi.
Our Akachi.
Yes.
Hey. Are you sure?
Well, he's not sure yet. That's why he didn't come today. And he said he will not come for another 1 week. That he wants to be sure that he has truly fallen for Akachi and not just getting fond of her because they spend time together.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Well, he better be sure, because the Akachi that I know won't fall for anything less than marriage. I know she wouldn't want any boyfriend or girlfriend kind of relationship.
I told him that.
She wants marriage.
I told him.
Okay. Wow. I'll be happy though. If they get married, I will. I'm happy for her.
Same here, you know. Odi is a nice guy.
Yeah.
Yes. Akachi too is not bad, but she needs to be schooled. She needs to be polished.
Yeah.
To avoid public embarrassment.
Well, I guess I'll just have to look for a tutor for her.
If that's what you want, fine. She's your sister.
Yeah, that's what she needs. Oh, but I'll miss her. I'll miss her looking after Choo-Choo.
Yes. But I was thinking, if anything of that kind happens, we can take Choo-Choo to a daycare, or better still, take him to their place whenever we're leaving for work. Then we get a housekeeper or steward. Yeah.
Sounds nice. Okay. Look at my husband. You are so smart.
Of course I am.
Oh, please, stop playing.
Wow!
What is it, baby? What is it, yes?
You know they hear Ogodi, they hunt for gate. Open gate!
Wait, did he tell you that he is ceremoniously and unfailingly coming today? Because I did not hear any unfortunate horn. So why should I open the gate?
Ibe, I hear a horn. Ibe, open the gate.
You hear horn?
Yes.
You hear horn? No, you hear horn. No, driving. You hear horn, right? Is he alive? Is he alive? Eh, Akachi? You are beginning to be delusional and experiencing sequentially imagination of unreal. Oh yes! Mirages of things that may be or may not be as though they were.
No face me on top of the first word they first now. No just face me on top of the first word they first now with all these things now where you they speak.
Oh, with all this thing why they speak. Idiot! See. I think you are a foolish girl who is hopelessly and romantically in love with a big shot that can never be yours. Even in the dreamifically. Meaning, even in your widest dream or physiologically in the physical, it can never happen.
No. You be go to. What do you mean? Me, I dey fall in love for my dream with you, this idiot.
Look at your cookie, okay. Let me tell you, forget this nonsense that you are doing. You better talk some inspirational and motivation sense into that your empty and forgotten medulla oblongata of a brain.
You dey talk bullshit. Shefi, na wetin you dey talk, idiot.
Look at
bingo.
Look at the idiot. Look at the idiot calling me bullshit. Nana, idiot. Oh, you're calling me bullshit. More bullshit. Let me tell you, I put it to you that you have just placed your hand in a place that your heights never reach and will never reach. Idiot. Let me tell you something. See this, your nonsense. Stop dreaming. Just stop dreaming and pluck off that your big anikwikwi. Idiot. That is stupid girl. fall in love with me that is in the same height level. Mba, it is all day that you look at it. Who? Me, the same level with you. You idiot. I am in a higher level. I'm in a higher level with you. What are you even talking? I'm in a higher level than this Okukibo. You want to fall in love with Ogode? Really? No. Anuku are joker in this life. If you want to have big shots, big jeep, you go push ups. Instead of you to fall in, idiot! Okay. Thank God that you have gotten some sense. Leave you there and run away. Idiot! Open the gate. I hear her. Home walking there, idiot. Come here and stop me again. Let me plug that your equipping eyes. I am in this house when you came. I will be here and we will go. Idiot.
Did you eat before sleeping?
Yes, so in chop well.
Okay. So why were you pacing up and down?
No.
Are you worried?
I did pray.
Pray? Aka, you didn't look like someone that was about to pray. Or someone that was praying. What is it? Is something bothering you? Out with it. I can give you a hearing ear. What?
Nothing bothering me.
You can always confide in me.
Zimuzo. Na Oga Odinaka. You know they come our house again.
Okay. Oda is supposed to be James's friend, right? So, if James is okay and not bothered about his coming to the house, then it's not a problem. How does it affect you?
It affects me.
Aka. Are you sure you're not falling for him?
Follow. No.
You're sure? Okay. I'll go up and go check up on Chucho.
Zimuzo.
Yes.
But that's Oga Odinaka. Me, I be saying go see come our house because I want to see him, but I don't know why.
Okay. I'll try and give him a call. Or better still, I'll give him your number to call you.
Yes. Okay. Be good. Because I won't just see him or I will talk to him anyone.
No. I'll be upstairs.
Make you remember.
I will.
I'm saying to like to be forgotten.
Akachi. I can bet you Akachi has fallen for him too. Yes.
But this is serious.
It is. I just hope your friend doesn't change his mind. I hope he's up to it.
Darling, anything is possible.
As in,
Yes.
I know.
We just have to be open-minded, knowing who Akachi truly is. I mean, we shouldn't over-expect a polished man like Odi to fall for her. So, anything can happen.
Yeah. Yes, lest I forget. Her tutor starts next tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. I guess that would distract her from everything.
Let's see how it goes then.
Yeah, I hope so.
I am still surprised.
I know, right? And Akachi.
Okay, please stand up. Stand up now so that you concentrate.
But the people when they go for school, no be sit down, then they sit down for chair, teacher go stand up.
Sorry, just stand so that you concentrate. Stand up. So, what I'm teaching you today is spelling. Say it.
Spelling.
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 Ha. S.
S.
P.
P.
E.
E.
L.
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 Look my tongue. L.
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 I. N.
Any.
N.
Any.
It's not any. N. G.
G.
Spelling.
Spelling.
Okay. Let's go. This one. B.
B.
E.
E.
A.
A.
R.
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 I.
N.
N.
Any.
G.
G.
We call it bearing. Say it.
Bearing.
Bearing, madam.
Bearing.
C.
C.
O.
O.
A.
A.
C.
C.
H.
H.
It's not H. H.
H.
Madam, look me. H.
H.
I. N.
N.
N. How many times will I tell you? N.
N.
G.
G.
We call it coaching.
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 It's not coaching. For your village, those places they used to play football. Those people that use whistle. P. Those ones are coach. Yeah, so I'm your coach now. So I'm coaching you.
But you know carry whistle.
My mouth now whistle now. Now whistle now same thing. So this one, I spell this one. What is this?
This one not there for the ones where you show me.
But I don't teach you ABCD before now. From here. T.
C.
T.
C.
This.
E. A. C. H.
Which one is H again? Call it.
H.
It's H. I the H. As in person now when they're hungry, like we now. If I the hungry, I will tell you, madam, I the H. Now be that H. I the H. Call this one now. H.
H.
It's not H. H. I bet you have to concentrate. I have other people to teach. H.
H.
I.
N. G.
What is it called?
Coaching.
She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty and natural, loving and sincere, and I love her way. She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty and natural, loving and sincere, and I love her way. not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty and natural, loving and sincere, and I love her way. She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty and natural, loving and sincere.
Akachi, what's on your mind? Are you okay? Sorry. Are you sure you're okay?
I don't know what they do me.
Okay, just try and go to bed. Maybe by the time you wake up, you'll be fine, okay? Sorry. Why are you crying like this? Wait, let me check. Wait, sorry. Did you poop? But you're fine. Why are you crying? Yeah, sorry. Sorry.
She's going to be here.
She's a native girl, an ordinary girl. She's not a sophisticated woman at all, at all. So pretty and natural, loving and sincere, and I love her way.
All right. I am happy for you, man. Yes.
Thank you.
You see, a good woman is hard to find. You just found one. I hope you are sure that your mind is made up on her.
James, I have never been so sure. Yeah, call it 100%.
That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. You see, when I married Z, she was almost like Akachi. Do you know what I did? I sent her to school. There she got more polished. And that's why I got Akachi a tutor last week.
You got Akachi a tutor last week?
Yes.
James, you will have to discontinue with the tutorial.
Why?
See, I love Akachi for who she is. I fell in love with everything about her. Her character, how real she is and how funny she is. So I wouldn't want anything to alter that.
Are you sure you don't want to enlighten her a bit? I mean, it won't be easy living with her mentality, if you understand what I mean.
Same mentality I saw and fell in love with her. Well, James, the wedding will be in 2 months' time.
That's great. Are you serious?
That's how serious I can be.
Wow. That's nice. That's good. I like that.
Driver, you go bring the other people who come, Abi. Make you go bring them. Thank you. Don't try. Thank you.
I am not
I know say you like Renkwoko.
I like him. Ogu What is happening here?
Eh?
What's going on?
Now my village people be this so. Yes, sir. You know say that time where Zimuzo he carry me come. I tell Zimuzo say if God will bless me the way they bless Zimuzo. Say me I go carry my village people come bring them for here. Make them know they suffer. So that is 1 million where you give me. I don't carry my Tata 5 bus. We go come drop my village people for here. So that the first one now come now and I tell am say make you go bring the remaining people come. So all the one wey remain we go come now na 5 people.
Oh! No, I don't know the word. Who that? Hey! It is too much.
Everything is under control now. He needs rest.
He need rest.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. Odinaka, you don't hear what she talk now say you need rest. Make you not stand up from here. Because if you stand up now, person fall beam for ground. No be only me, na go train this pikin why I carry so. Me, I no go gree. You say make you lie down, make you no stand up. Doctor, Oyamoku dey go.
Are you saying you are pregnant?
Now that's one you go hear. The first one why I talk, you hear am. You no hear wetin I talk. Moku dey go, doctor.
Yes, I'll be fine. I promise when you come back, we'll talk about the child.
No problem, we will talk, but to make you rest.
Aka, please, can you send them back to the village today?
Send them where? People where just they come. Where you want me they come go now? I tell you say this thing now something where don't take away they for my mind though. And now where God don't do the thing why they beg am. Me I don't do the one why I tell God to say I go do all these people where they see here then go stay and more people self they come. Doctor make I escort you. Nah, moko na sit down no go na there.
Hello, James. Please, tell your wife to send me 10 tutors plus 10 character therapists. Very as fast as possible before her sister killed me.
But I thought you said you love her like that.
James, I love her and you know that. But love is not enough. You know love is blind. But marriage is an eye-opener. You won't believe I'm on a sick bed right now as we speak. She brought the entire village to my house. As I speak to you right now, we have about 50 villagers in this house.
What?
James.
Have you seen how I felt back then when I was the recipient?
Just tell Z to send the therapist and the tutor. I'll pay. James, I said I will take care of the payment. I promise. Yes. James, I will call you back if I'm here again.
Uncle Brother Wanti's wife. I want you to help me with Nchankota and the Obasasa because I forgot my own in the village. Oh?
Ogo, I want me to buy Oji, Cola, plus hot, Kai original one from a job. Make I pray for you, may this sickness disappear.
Nchankota.
Yes.
Original one from Sample. Shinap, original one.
You can tell your sister to get you these things.
Okay. Can't you see that I'm smelling? Bring it. Let me go and bath.
Oh, you know you are smelling.
Hey.
For the prayer, I am fine already. I am not sick. I am fine. Yes, so there is no shilling coming your way. Or something. You're not getting any. Yes.
Okay. So that is your bedroom. I am coming. Let me go and the bath. Eh?
Akabod!